It's time to harvest our onions. How do you know when it's time to harvest your onions? It's really easy because they're going to tell you. What's going to happen is at the base of the stalk, they're going to change color, get a little more white or yellow, and most importantly, they're going to flop over. So when I see my onions no longer nice and upright, but all laying down, that tells me they're ready to harvest. Also, if you see it shouldering, where it's like this, pushing up a little out of the ground, definitely they're ready. Now, I planted a mix of red, white, and yellow onions. Depending on the variety, they're going to mature between 100 and 160 days, but you can mark that on your calendar if you want. I simply wait until I start seeing them flop over. Now, right next to it, this is a garlic called Music. Now, garlic in general won't usually flop over. What'll happen, you'll see all these leaves are turning brown. My garlic is ready to harvest as well. And harvesting couldn't be simpler. With the garlic, just grab it, wiggle it, pull it straight out of the ground, and there's my garlic bulb. But I want to talk about onions today. So, same thing, pretty simple. Pull away the dirt. If you have a raised bed, this is super simple. You don't need any tools. You can do it with your bare hands. Pull it out of the ground, and there you go. Now, once I harvest all my onions, I'm going to put them in a cool, shady, well-ventilated place for about 2 to 3 weeks and let them cure. By curing the onions, that allows them to let you store them longer. I'm going to lay them on a rack just like this. I'm going to leave the stem on, I'm going to leave the roots on. After 2 or 3 weeks, I'll cut the roots, I'll cut the stem, and then I can store these indoors and they will last a lot longer. Now, there's no reason you couldn't just go ahead and clean this up and throw it in your cooking tonight. That's fine too, but if you want them to store for a long time, you definitely want to cure them. Not a bad haul. Actually, one of my better onion crops in the last couple of years. Of course, we've had some horrible winters in the last couple of years, which has had a definite impact on it. But nice harvest here. Nice mix of reds, whites, and yellows here. All we have to do is let them cure for a couple of weeks and they'll be able to store for a long time. But some of these may wind up in the pot roast tonight. That's all there is to harvesting onions. Couldn't be simpler. Just wait for them to flop over, pull them out of the ground. I'm Tim, and as always, thanks for watching The Shades of Green Show.